Hello YouTubers, I'm Justin and today on Dashandrun, well, we're going to be having a look at this. Now this is from House and Home, and basically this is an LED speech bubble. Now it's an unusual thing to look at, but other people have liked some of my previous videos when I've looked at these LED lighting type situations, like on air or just basically a signage thing. So I thought I'd get this one in. Anyway, like all my videos, let's go and have a look and see what we've got in the box and see if this is something you might want to get. So the first thing out of the box is this piece of paper, and basically this just shows you how to put the batteries in and to operate the device. Next is an all-important marker pen, because this is a device you can actually draw on. It also has the eraser on the other end, and this is included in the packaging. And finally we've got the speech bubble itself, and as you can see it's not that big. I mean, it's a little bit bigger than my hand, but it's not massively big. Now on this side you've got a power switch, and it did seem to have at some stage maybe external power you could be, but they've blanked that off, so obviously on this model they haven't got that. And then on the back you've basically got your hangers, so you can put it up on the wall, and then your battery compartment. Now it takes three AA batteries, but they're not included in the box, but I have got three, so I'll put those in now. So now we've got the batteries in. Next we'll turn this over and we'll see how well it illuminates. So when we turn it on like so, it should illuminate. That it's not mega bright, but it is give you some sort of an illumination, so it'll give you an idea of what it's like. So this is basically lit up in the dark. So next let's just write on this thing. Well, there you go, there's my quick look at a House and Home speech bubble. Now it has lots of uses. If you're a YouTuber, you could probably put this in the background and leave secret messages for your viewers. If you're a streamer, you could add messages as well and put things on it, which would be quite neat for people to guess. You can use it to leave messages for your family or friends. You could even play around with it and make videos using this as a speech bubble. So it's got a lot of uses, and it retails at a very cheap price of around $10 Australian. So it's something I could definitely recommend. Anyway, as always, thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.